Hello everybody. Thursday night, October 18th. Welcome to our life in the Philippines. We are going to go and get us some barbecue, I think, tonight. And come on for the ride. We're just going for a little short walk. Do they have any pork? Oh, there you go. This one here. You got a plate? Still let the frozen? Oh, that's alright. Five. One there. You want some intestine there? There you go. It's almost done, I guess. Okay, so some barbecue.
We don't need the sauce, right?
No.
You don't like the sauce?
No. You have pure pork, and one Filipino dish here is intestines, and my wife just loves it. So that's what she be eating, and I eat the pork. We had a late lunch today, so right now it's just gonna be a couple of pieces of pork for dinner.
And intestine. My favorite.
But it is good though. One stick like this, 15 pesos. I would say 15 pesos. There's 50 pesos to $1, so take it down. You get like 3 of these for $1, so the whole entire meal here is like maybe $2.
On this one, this 5 peso.
5 peso.
How much in dollars?
How does it taste? I've never tried it.
Oh, try it.
I don't know. Maybe I should. I've never did it. I never tried it. Let me just try a little bit. Tastes like rubber.
No.
Tastes a little bit like rubber to me. But the pork is good. That's one thing they do good here in the Philippines. We'll have our own pig farm once we get to Samar, I guess.
Yeah.
Have a few pigs. We're planning on going down to Samar eventually, to where Janice is born. We're planning on buying. Actually, we made a down payment, significant down payment on a piece of land there, so we're gonna go and build us a house eventually. And once I retire, then that's where we will be residing, on the water, pure air, and a lot of things to do. Actually, there's beaches there, there's caves, there are fishing opportunities, farming opportunities, and a lot of other things. So that'd be our next step. Okay, everybody. That's it for today. Short video. But barbecue is one of the things they know how to do here in the Philippines.
Yep. And please don't forget to like, share, and comments our YouTube channel.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.